Hey guys, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got another episode of Lifts and Levels. This one's going to be another Jeep kit. It is a BDS 3-inch kit for the JKU Wranglers. This particular one's a JKU 4-door. So what the kit consists of is a pretty simple one. It's going to just be coil springs all around, no spacers. So you got your new front coil springs and then the new rear coil springs as well. This one's going to fall over here, so I'll put it down. The new rear coil springs. Shocks all around. This customer stuck with the standard BDS NX2 series shock. Didn't go with the Fox upgrade. And then let's see, we're going to have the caster adjuster cam bolts there that are going to go on the front. And then being that this is a Rubicon, you need to get the special disconnect sway bar end links for the Rubicon model, which this one is. And then 2012 and up model Jeeps with the new 3.6 engine need these exhaust extension pieces here in order to clear the front drive shaft when it's lifted up. So you need to order those extensions as well. That's pretty much, I think pretty much everyone offers those for the 2012 and up. But yeah, overall it's a pretty simple kit. As you can see, there's not many parts. Some hardware here as well. Hopefully, oh, this is all going to be for the sway bar disconnects. Hopefully the exhaust isn't completely rusted and we'll be able to get it apart, but Banker's just really eager to get going on it, so I'm gonna have to let him get going. Bye. Alright guys, so we got the BDS 3-inch kit installed on the Jeep here. As you can see, it's still up in the air. Not 100% done with it, but for the most part, you'll be able to see all the components. This one's going to be an all-spring kit, so the new lift coil springs up front. This one's just going to stick with the standard NX2 BDS shocks. Then we got our sway bar disconnects here. These are the quick connect ones. There's basically a coupler here, and they'll pop off on the axle side. And then they give you these little lanyards so you can actually disconnect your sway bar quick and leave it off when you're out on the trail and you just want to flex out with the boys. You can go ahead and do that quick. And that's pretty much it up front. Is there anything else up front?
You get like the cams.
Oh, are those there? Yeah. Oh, okay. So then the only other thing really up front that's done is these little eccentric cams here. That's going to be added so you can properly adjust the caster angle on the front axle, basically, so you can have actual adjustment on the caster and get it back to factory specs. You're in the way. It's not part of the video. Oh, we can show the exhaust extensions. I don't know how you're gonna see. Can you see these little extension pieces in there? And lastly, on the newer JKs with the 3.6 engine, you need these exhaust extensions here. You can see that's the piece in between the two flanges. They're actually required. There's one here and also one on the other side. And basically what that is to actually move the crossover pipe down so it's not just completely contacting the front drive shaft there. Also remember this is at full droop up on the lift. And then in the back of the Jeep, we have the rear track bar drop bracket here. As you can see, that's going to be this bracket here, and the original mounting holds this location. We dropped the track bar down to keep the rear axle centered at the new lifted height. You've got the new lift coil springs in the back here, and then the NX2 shocks in the rear as well. Sway bar drops for the rear, and then these cool little skull brackets for the rear brake lines. And that's pretty much it, honestly. Yeah, that's about it. That's a 3-inch BDS lift kit for the JKU Wranglers.